Hi guys and welcome to the bakery, and today I'm going to show you how to do cream donuts. Anyway, I'll get on with the video. Right, for the bun dough, what you need is flour, just ordinary baker's flour, 2 ounces of caster sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, 8 ounces of milk, 2 ounces of egg, 2 ounces white shortening, and also then baker's yeast, which is 2 ounces. Right, and what we do, we put the flour into the bowl, followed by the yeast with the fat, and we just mix this around a bit. Like that. Now pop in your milk, your eggs, your salt and your sugar. You just mix it all around like that with your hook. Right, just like that, we'll just pop it onto the machine. You want to be mixing this for 10 minutes. You may need to add a bit more flour to it. Depends on the type of flour you've got. Now you want to knock it onto second speed for 1 minute. Give it a straight down. That's ready. And now we'll put it on the table. And that's it. And all we do then, mould it up. And that's it. Just the table down, just pop it on there. We'll be resting this now for around about 10 minutes. And we're now ready, and we're now going to scale the donuts at 3 ounces. Mold it out, split. And for the long donuts, sprinkle your tray with rice cones or semolina, and then all we're going to do is roll these out like this. Once you've done that, just cover them up with a cloth. The donuts should take around about half an hour to prove up. But in the meantime, put your fryer on. You want to be up to around about 160. Anyway, we'll see you in a bit. Right guys, we're now ready to fry the long donuts. Right, just take your donuts and just lay them on the fat. They usually take around about 3 minutes. With this paper now, just pop some caster sugar on it. We'll turn them over. Check, see how far they are. Yeah. Okay. Obviously your oil won't be as deep as this one. Right, and they're ready. And just take them off, put them on the tray. Pop, pop, pop. Don't try this at home when they're red hot. Only idiots do this. Youch. Right guys, now I'm going to whip the cream up for the cream donuts. The cream I use is a trade secret to my business, so I can't share this with you. But all I can say, tastes almost like whippy ice cream. Right guys, now for the cream donuts. Right, dip them in sugar, both sides. Like that. Get yourself a knife, and then what you're going to do is cut it on an angle like this. Alright? Not all the way through, just part of the way through. An angle like this. See? Right, now I'm going to pipe it in. Cream. There you want it. And you get yourself a little bit of jam in the middle, just like that. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Do subscribe and do share. And do check out the description below for the recipe. Anyway, laters!